Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live session on beautiful Wednesday. We have PMI data at 10 a.m. and market just opened with the gap. You are looking in the ES and there is a gap from the 4,500 between the 4,093. So let's see if we got fill this gap before the PMI data came out. The market is highly volatile today because of the news. I am expecting to take down as the London lows. Let's see what we will our first position. Be patient. We will wait for the opportunity to come to us. Hi, welcome to live session. I can't read the Arabic, so if you write in the English, I can answer your questions. I hope you guys are feeling well and okay, because today we are going to make some money, guys, on this live session. Let's quickly check out the Nasdaq before we see the chart. And we have the gap again here also. This is the Sunday opening gap. This is the today's gap. And let's return back to the ES 500 and let's see the possible scenarios here. So this is the New York AM session high. I am expecting if the price goes up, we will take over that. And if the price falls down, my first target here and my second target will be this zone over here, which is 444.50, and we are watching market closely. No moves yet. Market just opened like 1 minute ago. Let's switch back to the 1 minute time frame on our Lux Algos indicator. And let's see what we'll do today. This is the London session. This was the high, this was the low. So it seems like market is heading for the lowest point. And so let me quickly check out the dollar index. Dollar is 0. So the VIX is 2%. Not much so going on. Everyone waiting for the news to come out. So a lot of Arabic here. I can't read, guys. The Rumun, welcome to live session. The Sirat, welcome to the live session, guys. It's so nice to see you. So our setup is basically ready. Our targets are set it up. I think we have some kind of a ranging box formation here. Let's draw that up here. And let's clear that out inside the box. Market is falling. No position taken from my side yet. 44.80 is the possible target at the moment, and the price is sitting on 44.86. There is not so much margin to take a short position here. We have taken out the London lows. Market keeps tanking. If you guys have any questions, it's a great time to ask. Shoot your questions about the indicators or any other stuff that you are interested or you want to know. So these are my indicators set up. I'm using Lux Algo price action concepts and signals and overlays as my main indicators. I have EMAs and the one set up for live from the ICT and the new week and new day opening gap. When the news start, news will come out at the 10 a.m. It's a PMI data, and let's see how will market reacts. The volume is spiking at the moment. We are heading towards this gap from the yesterday, and this is the Sunday open. This is my target if the price starts to go up. No position yet. So now we are trading outside of the ranging box, but I'm still waiting for the bar to close, and we see the break of structure. This is a change of character. We might take a short position here. Let's see. The price is bouncing back. It's too late to take a short position, you say. I don't know, we're just watching the price action. Let's see, I would like to show you the book map here. The book map is cooking something for us. Look at the order sitting on the 4480. And on the buy side, we have 300 orders waiting to get filled. Let's switch back to TradingView. Let's see the bigger picture over here. We have this gap. You see this gap, right? This New York AM session gave us this gap, and there is a possible scenario that we can fill that gap if the news came out in a bearish. Lux Algo gave the strong sell signal here, you see it, and since the yesterday it's still on a sell, and the trend strength is, let me see, I can't see, 74%. The trend is so high. So we have missed kind of 4 handles here. The bearish breaker block appeared on our chart, and we have this gap from the yesterday close to today's open. No position taken yet. Watching the whole market very closely. Let's put it side by side. So we are watching on the right side the Nasdaq, and the left side is the ES. Both of them are in the 5-minute time frame. And let's enable the indicators over here. 16. Alright, autopilot is off and okay. We have this previous week low at the 44.14. So we have couple of support areas here. This is another support area. $44.84, still market is slow, not so much going on at the moment. I didn't take any position yet. Just basically reading the tape over here. So this gap is acting as a support at the moment. Look at this, all the price action on all time frames are bearish on the ES. So If the data came out in a negative way, I think we can see the price came to our short target from the last week, and the previous week low can be broken. Still didn't take any position, for those who are wondering, because there is no such a opportunity to take an action here. By that time you can ask me your questions. It's a free live session on YouTube here. Let's play around with the indicators. In both Nasdaq and ES, Luxalgo is giving sell signals at the moment, and we didn't take any position yet, since we have news will be coming out in like 15 minutes or so. Even if we take any position, there is no clear direction. Market is just going up and down, so we're looking for a nice risk to reward ratio. If we didn't have any data or something, we could take a short position with this break of structure here, with the market open. The trend strength is sitting on 2%, which is very low. We can see the next candle can become a purple, which means that market has entered a ranging mode. So everyone canceling the orders on the book map. Look at this. All these orders are gone. You see these reds? Now they are all gone. Not because of they got filled, but the people are closing their orders because we have a high impact news coming in 15. The session low is 44.83. The session high is the opening price, which is 44.94. So hard to say something at the moment. It all depends on the news. But if we see a bullish action, we will act regarding to that. But for now, no clear direction in my sight. If you guys have taken any position so far, do let me know. I want to see the stocks here. Tesla. Whoa, look at this gap. Meta. The Apple is dropping sharply. The Lux algo is about to give a buy signal on the Nasdaq. Look at on the right side corner. ES is still on red. And on Nasdaq we have this strong buy signal. Let's see some targets on the Nasdaq here. Let's draw some targets. Let's see it. So this was the yesterday highs and this was the lows. The Monday high. I think we need to add one setup for live here. The max time frame is 15. Let's see by session, so it will make our life easier. So 14 minutes left until the news came out. No position taken yet. Market is just like a drunk person. It has entered the regular trading hour gap. Switch to 1 minute. The market is entered on a short-term downtrend. Look at this. We can say that this is the higher high and it keeps tanking. So we have this channel and the market is just going down and down. So if this is like a crap. First draw it like this. Yes. This is some kind of form of channel here. I think that we will fill this gap today. The market will drive and the news will affect the whole thing. So I think we can see the 44.52. I didn't take any position yet, but I feel like we will go in a bearish mode anytime now. So we're talking about like a 30 handles here. If we go like something 2 to 3 contracts, we can make some nice money. There are a lot of things going on, bad things about the prop firms. My FX funds, my Forex funds or something like that just stole the $300 million from its investors. It's crazy, so bad news for the whole sector. I'm using Apex and the Top Step, as all of you guys know. I didn't have any issues with them. So let's cross the fingers, because this is like a domino, you know, when someone start falling, everyone will follow. I think this move from like 5 minutes ago, it's like a stop hunt. The market just fake it out and it will do its thing. When the times come in, it's like in 10 minutes. So I think I will go some short position here. I don't know, it's like 3 contracts is fine. Not now. Of course I will wait for the news. These kind of days are hard to trade. to be honest. But the hardest one is the FOMC days. It's like a crazy roller coaster. I know that you guys are waiting for me to take some position, take an action, but you know, no position is way better than the loss. So I am not in a rush. Not in a rush. So if you guys enjoying this live session and if you want to see my trade with the PMI data, please hit that like button so that I can share my thoughts with you when the data came out. Let me see. So non-manufacturing data here. We have beige book at the 2 p.m. Wow, such. And tomorrow we have initial claims and the continuing claims. So this was the high. Let's see if we break that. I prefer the price is not break above this. 8 minutes left. Let me type in here the PMI data came out at 10 a.m. So it will be like here. And the 10 a.m. is the silver bullet time. I feel like we can do a quick scalp with the news came out. So we have taken out this. Let's move down to that zone. This is the level that market is stuck. It's like a 10 handles, the 44.83 to 44.94. I am smelling the money. Look at this. It doesn't make a new high. If there's a new high of today, it's a good thing for us. This buy signal is so weak. It's not a valid signal. So when the candle is purple and you got the buy signal, and even it's not strong buy signal, it's you can just pass it out. 5 minutes left. Let's see what market will do. If it's going to fill the gap, then bounce all the way down. It's a possible scenario. No need to rush. We have some couple of orders at the 4,500. If you guys want access to this Lax Algos indicator, make sure you check out the link in the description. There's a 30% off coupon going on at the moment. Do not miss that, because this indicator is crazy. So accurate, so powerful. I highly suggest you test it. And if you want to know more about this indicator, you can watch my video, Is It Worth? I have break down everything about the Lax Algos premium indicator there. So the 3 minutes left until the news came out. Let's see, we will do our thing when the news came out. It's kind of boring to wait, but we don't have a chance. Taking a position now is like trying to catch the falling knife, so it's no need. Since the market opened, only move that happened is like a two handles. 44.92 to 44.90. Let's quickly see our targets one more time before the news came out. If we're going to take a short position, this is our first target, and the second target will be the previous week low, which is 44.15. And if we see some bullish action, we will head over to the Monday low and the Sunday open as our target. Two minutes left. Fasten your seatbelt and get ready for take an action anytime now. I didn't take any trade today. You can see in my all trades, its gross PNL is $0, profit 0, losing 0. 3 micro contracts is ready to take an action now. $50-50 chance. Sell or buy, sell or buy. 60 seconds. Ten seconds. Let's quickly check the book map. Just took a short position with the sell off here. Okay, we're riding the trade. 44.80 is my field price. I still didn't see the... It's better than expected. Strange. $44.64 is a take profit now. Let's see. I think, oh my gosh, look at this beautiful thing here. Moved my stop loss to my break even. The iceberg orders are killing the order book now. Pushing the price further down. We could make a profit like a 5 handles, but we have exited at 2 handles, so that's our fault, but we didn't lose money. We make money, no problem. So the trade took like a 2 minutes, and the 2 handle, we have entered at the 44.80.75 and 44.79.5. It's not good trade, I know, but the price didn't act like as we expected for now. Maybe it will do its thing later on, but now it's so slow. This was the whole move. It dropped from the 88 to 75. So much orders on order book. Look at this. This kind of big orders are creating some kind of support here. Let's see if we can take another position, but it's heading to our target, but it's going slow, to be honest. Since the data is better than expected, I don't know. I'm not sure to take a position. I don't feel comfortable here, but the 86 is a possible target now. Tough day. Maybe another scenario is like if we don't see any more new lows, price can head to the regular trading hour gap, I think. Look at the Nasdaq chart here. It's forming a nice formation here. If we don't see new low, I think like this is some kind of, let's see it together. If price can't go above this zone, there's a possible one more short position. We couldn't cash the position today, but we make some kind of money. We didn't take a loss, so that was nice thing. But market didn't give some nice opportunity for us to take an action. So the profit is so small, I know. I think like I'm done for the day here because I didn't like the whole price action, what's going on at the moment. So basically we are in a clear downtrend, and we have broke this channel today, and price can easily fill this gap for to become a bullish one more time. I think there is a gap to be filled. So the target is like a 44.52 now. Before it's filled this gap, I don't expect any new highs if there is not news or something. So I will not take any more trades today, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this channel. I will catch you guys on the Friday. I hope we will take a better trades. And if you're going to keep on trading today, the target is 44.52 on the bearish side, and I am expecting this gap to be filled. So I will catch you on Friday. Take